Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove, and today, we've got some massive leaks about the iPhone 17 lineup that might just blow your mind. Mobile phone All iPhone 17 models are getting a front camera upgrade. According to new leaks, every iPhone 17 model will feature a new 24-megapixel front camera, a major jump from the current 12MP sensors. That means clearer selfies, better low-light performance, and sharper details, perfect for social media lovers. Camera with flash iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, Apple's boldest camera upgrade yet. The biggest news? The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are getting a complete camera overhaul. For the first time ever, these phones will pack a triple 48MP lens setup. A 48MP Fusion main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a brand new 48MP tetraprism telephoto lens. This telephoto lens is shaping up to be 2025's biggest highlight, offering insane detail even when zoomed or cropped. Straight ruler new horizontal camera design. Say goodbye to the classic square bump. The Pro models will introduce a sleek horizontal camera bar across the back. The lenses will still form a triangular layout, but the LiDAR, flash, and microphone are moving to the right, giving it a fresh, modern look. Clapperboard video just got a whole lot better. Apple's also planning to level up video performance big time. Rumors suggest 8K video recording and a dual video mode that captures from both front and rear cameras at the same time, perfect for vloggers and content creators. And here's the big one. Apple may finally introduce a mechanical variable aperture system, which means better light control and depth of field, just like Pro cameras. iPhone 17 Air ultra-thin, but with trade-offs. The rumored iPhone 17 Air is expected to be just 5.5mm thick, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. But due to its slim design, it'll likely have only one 48MP Fusion lens. It will also use the new horizontal bar layout, but in a compact format with fewer features. Package standard iPhone 17 slight tweaks, familiar design. The base iPhone 17 seems to be getting the fewest changes. It will have the new 24MP front camera, but keep the 48MP plus 12MP dual lens system on the back. No horizontal bar here, just the usual vertical camera setup.